Hello and welcome. This is Luralås, and today I have a Cocraft something, I don't know the number of it, property protection. What caught my eyes was the security level 8 out of 10. Let's see, look at the backside. Closed hardened steel shackle, providing greater protection from attacks. Double ball locking mechanism requires a key to lock. Special key profile for increased pick resistance comes with 3 keys. I should say something, but usually when I pick out a padlock from a store, I just take the first one in, to be fair, not to find a particularly nice one or anything. I just take the first one on the rack. So the bitting are not very exciting on this one. Let's take a look at it. It's quite sharp and nasty. I actually hurt myself on it earlier. Very obvious machining here, and particularly these edges here are very sharp. See if we can get this opened. And this special extra secure key profile, as you can see. So I am going to use the very fancy tool. That's just my homemade pick that I made from a drain cleaner. Let's see if we can get this open. I will try with light tension. There was a click there, and we got into a bit of a faucet. Some counter rotation, so I'm guessing spools. Click on those things here. It's quite a long key, so we have some pin in the back here that's binding. Get this up without disturbing anything. Yeah, definitely binding in the back. And there. 8 out of 10. I think it would be interesting to pick this in the wild sometime. Let's take a look in here. As we can see, yes, there seem to be ball bearings. I don't think they lied about it locking on both sides, so I don't think you can shim it. I do very much doubt that it's actually hardened though. Yeah, what else can I say? It was a fun pick though. Thank you. This has been Luralås.